America runs on hard-working auto pros, and for 100 years, NAPA has been right there with them, keeping their businesses strong and their customers on the road. I'm Kevin Linger, and this is Auto Pros on the Road. In the heart of a rural town, a local auto shop isn't just fixing cars. It's rebuilding trust, growing with purpose, and honoring service. This is the story of dedication, partnership, and leveling up. One vehicle and one veteran at a time.
Well, the shop was originally not at this facility. This facility was built in 2018. Cassie and I took over ownership at the end of 21.
I had owned a shop before that I had sold before I came to work here as a service advisor. Will and I originally worked here for the previous owner. The opportunity came up after a year or so to purchase it from him, and we've just been working to grow the business and hone in on our systems and train our people and be the best that we can be. So he did have pretty good systems in place that we were able to adopt. Also, just it made our partnership with NAPA that much better. He was already a NAPA Gold Center. We stuck with that, and just having that relationship with the local owner was great for us. And now we still work very closely together.
I joined the United States Marine Corps in 2003. I served 5 years. My primary job was a helicopter technician. I worked on all the safety equipment. I kind of saw it as a leveling up, going from automotive to aviation maintenance. I did a tour in Iraq where I was an aerial observer, aerial gunner. Learned a ton of good stuff from the military. Crosses over quite a bit, especially being on the aviation maintenance side. Crosses over a ton of good experience to bring back to automotive. Yeah, the end goal for me has always been kind of like that next level is, that progression of, start off as a tech, learn some, management skills, develop a team, and use all the things that I learned through all these experiences in my life to kind of level up automotive repair in an environment that I have, more control in.
Around Veterans Day, we do free oil changes for our veterans. Every year it gets bigger and bigger, and we're able to help more and more people. NAPA donates all the oil and the oil filters, and we provide the facility, and our techs do the oil changes, and it's just a full day of free oil changes for veterans. Doug actually started it when he owned the place, so it was nice to be able to keep that going.
Honoring veterans is just one part of how this shop gives back. But each day, their commitment shows up in every corner of the community that they serve.
It is a smaller area, like you said, more rural, but there are a lot of vehicles here. There's also a lot of, fleet maintenance. So we've got a lot of trucks, a lot of service vehicles that come in. They all need repair. There are a lot of vehicles, mostly domestic, but that's starting to change a lot. We're getting a lot of influx of imports, and so there's a wide variety. We're starting to get even, some electric vehicles, that sort of thing. So there's a wide variety of stuff here to work on.
We definitely do alignments, a lot of alignments every day. We also do some programming. We have some OEM equipment for that. We also do digital vehicle inspections, which has been a game changer for us.
I've always been a worker. I've always, I've always liked doing stuff with my hands. I've always liked, fixing things, helping people. We both also strive for just constant improvement. And I think that having some of the experience that I have, my goal, what kind of keeps me excited about it is, again, trying to get to the next level, trying to raise the standard. We want to not change the industry, but we want to get it to the next level. We want to do our little part of, always being better.
One thing when you're trying to do something great, you need more people, and it's great to have someone with his expertise in the technical side. I wouldn't be able to do it without him.
I think the best thing is that what she does and what she's really good at complements my skill set. We work really well together. It's great to be able to bounce ideas off of each other. I think what works really good for both of us is that we both have the same goals in mind. We both want to level up automotive repair here and anywhere else we can help. I think having shared common goals is a great thing, and we work great together. So it's kind of hard to imagine doing it any other way, so I like it.